Hello, my name is Emma Breckfer, and today I'm going to be restoring this Huffy Manitoba DX, and I believe the bike is 1992 or possibly something around 1995, but someone that just don't want to bike out, so I figured I could probably try to restore the bike, and if anything is wrong with the frame, then I may sense scrapping the frame and getting the wheel set off of it, and maybe the fork, and doing a build on another bike. Well, my name is Emma Breckfer, and I hope you enjoy the rest. So I actually had to remove the drive side crank bolt as it was stuck in there, so I'm taking a socket extension and a torque wrench into it and getting it out. So